Merienda tayo.
Tara, tara.
May nakita akong mangga ba?
Sweet, golden, and bursting with flavor. The Philippine mango is more than just a fruit. It is a proud symbol of our agricultural heritage, a livelihood for thousands of farmers, and an export that brings the taste of the tropics to the world. In 2024, the Philippines harvested over 763,000 metric tons of mangoes, with the world-famous Carabao variety making up the majority. Behind every bite is a story of farmers facing unpredictable weather, shifting markets, and an industry working to grow while preserving its roots.
Ang tamis, pre.
Sarap nga.
Mangga tayo?
Tara, tara. Drinking mo na lang.
Mango shake tayo. Ang init to. Para malamigan naman tayo.
Pwede naman.
Mango shake? Oo, tayo. Mango shake tayo. Ay, tas ng klase ha. Sige, sige. Ate, mabili nga ako. Mango shake.
Medium large na ba?
Medium po, tatlo.
Ayan,
Ito ba yan?
ayan.
Wala naman.
Thank you.
Oh. Diba, pwede nabigan tayo? Sarap ba? Sarap.